if the alarm is not working on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now, if silent mode is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it from here. Also, if the ringtones and alerts volume is low, just increase it from here, because this slider also controls the volume of your alarm sound. So make sure you increase this slider. Also make sure you disable change with buttons, because you might accidentally decrease the ringtones and alerts volume, which will also decrease the alarm volume of your iPhone. After that, just tap on volume limit. Now if volume limit is enabled on your iPhone, it will set a maximum volume limit for all the sounds on your iPhone, which will also set a limit on the volume of the alarm sound. So make sure you disable this toggle. After you disable this toggle, just increase the volume of your iPhone to the maximum. And check if this fixes your issue or not. Then just go to your home screen and open the clock app. After you open the clock app, just go to the alarm section and select the alarm which is not working. Or you can create a new alarm. And from here, just make sure that the time of the alarm is correct. Sometimes when you set an alarm, you might forget to change PM to AM or AM to PM, which will cause the alarm not to ring on the time. Also tap on repeat and make sure that the correct days has been selected. Now, sometimes when you set an alarm, you might forget to select the days, which will cause the alarm not to repeat. Now, after you've done that, then go back and tap on alarm sound. And from here, just pick a strong sound for your alarm. After you've done that, then tap on done to save. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then go to your home screen and open the control center. In the control center, just open focus mode. Now, if do not disturb mode or any other focus mode is enabled on your iPhone, just tap on it to turn it off, especially the sleep mode. In most of the cases, this issue appears because of a schedule in sleep mode. Now, to fix this issue, just turn off sleep mode, then tap on the three dots over here and tap on settings. Now, as you can see, these are the settings for sleep mode. Now just scroll down and tap on next schedule. Now if there is any schedule enabled for sleep mode, just disable it from here and check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then go to settings and tap on Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it from here, because sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone might connect to a Bluetooth device like your earbuds or your speakers, which will cause the sound not to come from your iPhone speakers. After you've done that, then go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings, then tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then just go back to the General settings. Now this time, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix the alarm is not working problem on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.